Hi, I'd like to show you how to do the sink and float activity. I got a few things together from the house. First of all, I've got a tray to work on to keep everything together. And I've got my dish with all my little objects in, all different kinds of things. I've got a jug with water. I've got my sink and float bowl, which is glass. It's nice if you have a glass one or a clear plastic one, so you can see the work really nice and clearly. And then I've got two little yoga tubs for sorting the things out. And then, of course, I've got my cloth for drying everything, because when you finish sinking and floating with each item, you want to dry them nicely. Here we go. I'm going to fill my bowl. Not too much, but enough that you can see the things when they sink. Let's see. I've got a beautiful shiny stone here. I'm going to see if it's going to sink or float. You can guess if you want. Ha! That one sank, didn't it? It sank to the bottom of the bowl. I heard it plop onto the bottom of the bowl. I'm just going to dry each of the objects as I go along, and then my work won't get too messy. I'm going to put all the things that sink into this bowl over here. Let's see what's next. Ooh, I'm going to use this lovely cork. Let's see if it sinks or floats. That one definitely floats, doesn't it? Let's dry it off. And I'm going to put the things that float into this bowl over here. Let's see what else we've got here. Oh, a little candle. Let's see if it's going to sink or float. Definitely floats. Let's put it in there. Let's see. Ooh, what's this? A marble. I wonder if this is going to sink or float. Let's see. You heard that one sink, didn't you? I'm going to put it in there with all the things that sink. Let's see if this peg is going to sink or float. It's floating. My float container is getting quite full. Let's see what's next. I wonder if this coin is going to sink or float. It sinks. This is a cute little one. Little polar bear. Let's see if the polar bear is going to sink or float. It sank. Let's see what's going to happen with this beautiful rough shell. I found it at the rock pool a long time ago. Let's see if it's going to sink or float. Ooh, that's an interesting one. It floats. Let's see this one. Wow, it floats. I think there's only one more thing in my container. Let's see what's going to happen to this lid. Let's see if it's going to sink or float. It's going to float, but let's see what happens if I fill it with water. Ha! It sinks. That's very interesting. Wow. I'm going to put it in my sink container. I enjoyed showing you my sink and float work. I hope you'll be able to enjoy something like this at home. I'm sure you can find most of these things at home. And of course, don't forget to empty your water out and to put all your things away afterwards. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.